Hey guys, what's going on? Gameplay Cow here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a Minecraft server for Bukkit. And this is 1.4.2, current version of Minecraft. So first things first, and this is my website if you guys were wondering. Not actually powered by Island Well, this is just like a test thing kind of thing. It kind of changes for every page you go to. There's different stuff, it's kind of weird. But yeah, so it's not really loading right now, it's kind of laggy. But what we're going to be going to is weird. Just going to go to Google and you can just search Bukkit. And I have really bad typing right now. And here you just click craft Bukkit or dl.bukkit.org. And there is a beta build here, which is what I'd go for. Beta is safer than development, but recommended is the best. It's recommended, so say go with that. But you can just click on this little 2446. Just click it, and then it'll bring up this, and you can just click and you can download it. So I've got that downloaded, and what you'll want to do on your desktop is this is my logo. Stands for chimp. But what you guys will want to do is you'll want to create, well, if you want to find it easy to do, then you'll just create a little desktop icon right here on your desktop, and you will call it something that like has to do with server or whatever you want to do. So if I just go to, say, I just updated my computer. I'm not really sure about how the download system will work, but might just be able to show downloads, notice, image, some stuff, parkour map. I think I can just drag that into my server and that'll work. Then I can just rename this Craft Bukkit, or name it really whatever you want. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open, well, we're not going to open terminal, we're going to open text edit or some sort of editor. Now you're going to want to type in this code. You'll want to come up here, click format, then make plain text. Then you will want to get this, which this exactly right here will be in the description. You can find that, and you just copy this, make plain text, and do that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to press X, or you can just go file save, and then you can go save as, and it'll open this, turn off hide extension, and I'm going to call this start.command, and it has to have the ending .command because that's what will actually start the server, and Unicode, and that'll work. And then find a place, so I'm just going to go Jordan, and then I'll find my desktop, and then I just go to server, and I'll just save it in here. And now that I've got the start.command, what I'll need to do is I'll go open up terminal, and then you want to type in chmod a plus x, so chmod space a plus x, and then you're going to put space and you're going to drag in the start.command. Should just bring it up again. Then you're going to double click that. Yeah, it's whatever. Okay, so sometimes that won't work. And so yeah, the reason this isn't working is I'm gonna have to go open this with text edit, and what you have to do is you have to change this right here, it's Minecraft server.jar to craftbukkit.jar, or whatever you called your bucket here. So now I'm gonna double click that. It'll say something. Yeah, it'll start doing this. I don't know if you have to do the chmod a plus x, but do it anywhere, and then just drag in your start.command. All this stuff will start just being generated. Once it's all generated, it'll say done in a certain amount of seconds, and then you just close it, and then press X. And yeah, that is how you make a server. Here's how you edit it. Banned IPs. When you bounce someone from the console or something, like here, I'll do right now. I'll just leave the server up and I'll show you guys. So ban IP 10.0.1.196 ban Chimp 990, which is my in-game name, and then you just go to banned players. It will say Chimp 990 unknown forever, banned by an operator. Then what I could do is I could go unban Chimp 990. I guess you can't unban, or can you? I don't know. You could just type in help, XP, weather, toggle, fall down, all this pretty good stuff. Deop, op, ban IP 10.0.1.196, which is like default, I guess, and no one can actually use this IP, so it's not going to kill anyone. And then I can just go lols, I think, and then I can just go to banned IPs, unknown. I guess it doesn't actually put the reason why, but you can get plugins that'll do that. So that's up with the server. Stop, and then you can go into bukkit.yml. You can change a couple settings. I wouldn't really change that. You can just take off the end and stuff like that. Help, you can just do /rules, and then you can just like kind of change it, I guess, from in here. Ops, change your ops. Permissions.yml, you can set up some sort of permissions. Server.properties, this is like the server here. MOTD, a Minecraft server. This will change what it says underneath the name of the server, which will be whatever the players name it. But here you can do that, and it'll just change to something pretty cool. Generate structures, it'll generate stuff like in regular. So generator settings, don't know. Allow nether, whether to have a nether or not. The level name, which in here is world, so that's what that goes through. You can put in a custom map and just change the name of it on here, or change it in here to the name of the custom map. Enable query, and I think it's Archon. Don't do either of those. They're for like extra stuff. If you're really good with Bukkit, then you can figure that out later. Allow flight, whether you want players to be able to fly or not without getting kicked. Server port 25565, this is default for everyone. Archon, yeah. Level type, default or flat. Level seed, you can just put in any seed you want. Server IP, doesn't matter. Max build height, you can change that to like million if you wanted. Spawn NPCs, whether you want non-playable characters to spawn. Whitelist, true or false. Spawn animals, true or false. Snooper, which lets Minecraft people at Mojang to like do stuff and like look at your Minecraft stuff, which whatever you want for that. Hardcore, whether you want people to die and then get kicked and they can't join. Texture pack, you can put in a link to a texture pack and people can download it. Online mode, true or false. That's whether you have, if you have cracked client, put this as false and you'll be able to connect. If you don't have a cracked client, then you're screwed. No, I'm just kidding, you're not screwed, but you just put it as true if you don't have a cracked client. If you don't want random people to just join, leave it at true. PvP, I'd say true. True or false, whether you want it on or not. Difficulty, I guess 1 would be easy, 2 would be hard, or 2 would be medium, or whatever the middle one is, and 3 would be hard. Game mode, 0 is survival, 1 is creative, and 2 is adventure. Max players, 20, you could have that whatever you want, just as long as your RAM doesn't glitch out. Spawn monsters, true or false. View distance, 10, and yeah. That's how that works. And whitelist, you can just put your name in here and you can turn whitelist on, and that just allows only certain people to be able to join. So hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like it and comment. See you next time.